Positive Rossman.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Positive Rossman production. I am in the first 3 weeks. Our third week just passed, so technically in the fourth week. On Monday, it'll be the fourth week of school during this semester. And let me tell you, it has been insane. I'm super pumped, though. I'm so stoked. Making these videos has gotten so extreme. I knew it was going to be intense, but holy crap. I made a bunch of the videos, actually, like back to back to back. But as far as like getting them out to you guys, it has been extremely difficult because there is a bunch of editing, music production that goes behind it, producing the music, and then editing that music as well to get to you has just been nuts. This next project is going to be a battery on an iPhone, and I am super stoked. iPhones are rad, at least to work on. I've always been Samsung, Android my whole life. But when it comes to repairing these things, there's just a few little bit of components in them, and it is just smooth sailing. And stay tuned, because our next video sponsor is coming up in our next video, and it is legit. It is the most intense project that I have done electrically ever. So stay tuned for that. Don't miss it. It is nuts. So moving forward, between school, work, and everything else that I got going on, family, making these videos is pretty intense, pretty difficult, but I'm hanging in there, trying to get these out to you guys as soon as possible and as fast as possible. But without dropping that quality bar. I want the quality of every single one of these videos to be super high. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. If anybody's going through anything, remember, everything's just temporary. Life is literally like a wave, you know. When you got the ups, enjoy the ups, and when you got the downs, hang tight, because the next up is about to come. Like, if you're in a low, it's only a matter of time before you get picked up by the next wave. So when you do get picked up by the next wave, be sure to ride it out and enjoy it. Alright, guys. Always remember, don't forget to be positive to one another, and peace out.
like and subscribe, and don't forget to be positive to one another.